Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello student of Universitas Terbuka. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sari Nurfadila. You can call me Miss Dila. I hold a master degree from Universitas Sriwijaya. Currently, I am teaching English at SMK Kesehatan Pelita Insani Prabumuli, and I also work as an independent tutor for BIPA, teaching Indonesian to foreign learners. For the next semester, I will be your tutor in code MKWI 4201 in English course. This course focuses on basic and practical English skills, especially for business and professional communication. You will learn grammar, vocabulary, reading and writing, as well as business correspondence, including job application letters, request letters, memos, and official emails. The course also introduces TOEIC to help you become familiar with English used in an international working environment. I hope this course will help you build confidence and develop practical English skill for your academic and professional future. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you in Tutor this semester. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.